very rarely do I get the chance to sneak away for lunch and get lunch with my wife. And today I get to do that, and I'm so excited. Oh, talk about someone that deserves better. I am a working dog, and this woman does everything for me. Oh, I love her. Fire off this YouTube channel. And turns out there's algebra involved, is what I'm being told. And I need you guys to stop what you're doing. Go to the YouTube page for my YouTube channel and subscribe. So when I post new videos, you can know first and foremost, is what they say. I don't know, dude. Algebra, right? It's a thing. Make it work. Do what I need, please. Thank you. Love you. Appreciate it. What is up? Hope you're enjoying the YouTube channel so far. I know I'm enjoying making the videos. Real talk. I think the rapture's coming. I'll say the next 5 years. So, if you know me, you got this? Yeah. So I'm going to start spreading the love of Jesus and encouraging other people to open Jesus into their heart while I build and love on my family. I think I have a pretty interesting life, and I just like to share it. This is the day that the Lord has made. Got any prayer requests? Drop them in the comments. I got you, man. Watch that so it doesn't hit that header. Yeah. Working, headed back to the shop. Huh. Is a mammal? Can insects be mammals? No. No, they can't. Oh, hey you. Still here? Bye. Hey, Amazon showed up today. Nice. They said like they should go install, believe it or not. I ain't done this in 10 years. Seriously. I had to absolutely share this. For the boys. This is the old school boys. When's the last time you seen those check marks, baby? Still got it. Come on. Uh-oh. That's a good sound. Yeah, ladies. I'm the whole package. And I'm married, so get yourself a quality young man, like my wife has done. Father in heaven, start this day off with a banger and just bless us. Bless us with a Jesus hug. Man, so grateful for how gangster you move in my life. The way you surprise me almost every day. With just being cool. Jesus, you're just cool. Jesus Christ is my homie. Love you. We back. That's a big old lift. Getting there. Still got all this to do. Looking good. Good morning. Good morning, Jesus. It's a good day. Day 3 sound panels. Let's wrap it up. Getting there. Another sound panel job I did. Proud of this one.